वेलकम इन सक्सेस कैरियर मुखर्जी नगर। फ्रेंड्स, अभी मैं आपको 29 अप्रैल 2021 करंट अफेयर्स बताऊंगा इन इंग्लिश। अकॉर्डिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिपोर्ट, व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ malaria cases have decreased in country? 84%. To the help the Chief Minister Relief Fund of which state has it's been decided to deduct 1 day's salary for all employees? Chhattisgarh government. What percentage of India's GDP growth has been estimated by SBI Research in 4 year 22? 10.4%. In which city DRDO has announced to set up COVID hospital? Ahmedabad. Which country has declared a 3-month state of emergency? Japan. Which is the recent country in the first place in the Global Gender Gap Index? Iceland. India is 140th. Which two cities of Uttar Pradesh were decided to be converted into police commissionerates? Varanasi and Kanpur. How many crores of Nepalese rupees has been provided by India to strengthen Nepal's road infrastructure? 800 crores Nepalese rupees. Who has been awarded the Saraswati Award for the year 2020? Dr. Saran Kumar Limle, who is the author of the book Names of the Woman, Jeet Thayal. Join now Success Career Mukherjee Nagar for daily current affairs in both languages, Hindi and English. When is World Laboratory Animal Day celebrated? 24 April. When has World Immunization Week started? 24 April. From where did the first oxygen express liquid medical oxygen take off? Visakhapatnam. Who has Tesla India appointed as its HR head? Chitra Thomas. Recently, Amit Mistry has passed away. Who were they? The actor. The central government has decided to airlift mobile oxygen production plants from which country? Germany. How many gold medals have India won at the World Youth Boxing Championships? 7. IPL. Who became the first player to score 6,000 runs in India? Virat Kohli. Who has won the Nelson Mandela World Communication Award 2021? Rumana Sinha. Which state government has established 3 COVID care centers? Assam government. When is United Nations English and Spanish Language Day celebrated? 23 April. Which state government has recently launched the COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana? Madhya Pradesh government. Which country has cancelled the Belt and Road Agreement? Australia. Who has been appointed as the part-time chairman of HDFC Bank? Atanu Chakravarti. Recently, Fareed Sabri has passed away. Who were they? Singer artist. Who has recently launched covidGGN.com portal, Gurugram. In which country has the UN Security Council agreed to implement the ceasefire agreement? Libya. Which percent of India's GDP growth has been estimated by K Ratings in 4-year 2022? 10.2%. What is the name of the new digital currency being discovered by UK? Bitcoin. Vera Gatovitz was the first woman military surgeon of which country to be published in Google Doodle? Russia. When was National Panchayati Raj Day being celebrated recently? 24th April. With which country has Israel signed the largest defense procurement agreement? Greece. According to the World Meteorological Organization, which has reached India from last severe volcano eruption, sulfur dioxide. Which country is planning to build its own space station? Russia. Recently, Kishore Nandalaskar has passed away. Who were they? The actor. Recently, which country Prime Minister has postponed his visit to India? Japan. Under whose championship has RBI constituted a committee to review the work of companies? Sudarshan Sen. Who has topped the ongoing Energy Conversion Index 2021? Sweden. Which country President Idris Deby has died? Republic of Chad. On which planet has NASA miniature robotic helicopter Ingenuity successfully landed? Mars. Join now success Carrier Mukherjee Nagar. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Press icon for new video. और फ्रेंड्स, जो भी आपको वीडियो में कमी लगे या जो बात अच्छी लगे उसको कमेंट में शेयर ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।